For ExpertVillage.com, this is Matt Friedman, owner of the Blue Creek Candle Company. In this clip, we'll be talking about candle scents. To find out more about my candles, please visit my website. When selecting a scent to use in your candle, make sure that you purchase scents that are designed specifically for candle usage. Make sure that you're not trying to use a scented massage oil, as this is an oil that's mixed with a carrier base, and that's going to create too much oil for your candle to handle, and it's going to have a negative effect on the burn quality of your candle. Scenting is going to require some experimentation on your part, as it's going to take anywhere from a half ounce to an ounce to properly scent 1 pound of wax. I would like to touch on the fact that if you're going to try and use an essential oil, the first time you do it, try and use just one essential oil that's very inexpensive. Experiment with that for a little while until you find an acceptable recipe for your candle. Once you've done that, feel free to go ahead and purchase multiple essential oils that cost a bit more money and are a bit more complex in aroma. Remember when looking for scents that there are hundreds and hundreds of scents out there. You'll be able to find whatever you want. Anything from almond to Yuletide.